In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a form in 5 simple steps using Hubspot. It's a quick and efficient process, perfect for anyone looking to collect information through a streamlined and professional looking form. So grab your laptop and let's dive right in. First, we need to start by heading over to Hubspot's website. You can do this by opening up your browser and typing in hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. HubSpot offers a wide range of tools and resources that can enhance your business operations. Next, look towards the upper right corner of the homepage for the login button. It's pretty easy to spot. Click on it and then enter your username and password to sign into your HubSpot account. If you're not yet a user, you will need to create an account to proceed with building your form. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed straight to the HubSpot home. This will be your control center where you can manage everything from marketing to sales and more. From the HubSpot homepage, you will want to navigate over to the marketing section. You'll find this option easily in the main navigation menu on your dashboard. Take your time getting comfortable with the navigation, as it's full of functionalities that you may find helpful not just today but in future projects as well. After clicking on marketing, a drop-down menu will appear giving you a list of options. Here, you'll need to select Forms. It's one of the primary tools you'll be using to gather data from your audience, whether it's for leads, feedback, or event registrations. Once you're in the Forms section, you can see all previously created forms, but we're here to build something new, so let's focus on the Create Form button. Go ahead and give it a click. This will bring you to the Form Creation Wizard, where things get interesting. Upon clicking Create Form, you should see the option for New Form Editor. Select this to access an updated and more flexible form building interface. The new form editor has all the features you need to customize the form to suit your needs, offering a user-friendly drag and drop experience. Finally, once you've selected the new form editor, look for the button labeled Next. Clicking this will take you to the final customization page, where you can tweak your form design, configure the fields, and do all sorts of adjustments based on what information you need to gather. Make sure to explore different form fields like text, drop-downs, checkboxes, and others to suit your purpose. And there you have it. You've just built a form using HubSpot in 5 simple steps. Remember, the more familiar you become with these tools, the more efficiently you can create impactful forms that help drive your business goals. Happy form building!